Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about ArcelorMittal ADR, and if you look at this long-term trend, we will find something interesting which is about to happen, and probably you can look or find a big trend which is yet to come for this particular script. And let us just first understand this trend. So we have a long-term chart. So from the lows of 2001 to the highs of 2008, the stock has given return of 44,000% in a span of 7 odd years. Since then, the stock has been consolidating and correcting, but what we have seen that in the long term time frame, what the stock has done, that it has made a perfect textbook kind of pattern, a double bottom, and you can see how statistically correct this trend can be. That the 2 points are exactly at the similar length, and it has bounced back from that range. So what does it indicate is simply this. Okay, now let me just, because the stock is so technically correct that we can use the support and resistance level in a much easier fashion. So for the long term, you have your important or long term support at around 6.92. Then on the upside, your first target or resistance will come at around $17.54. If it crosses above 17.54, then you have your big resistance will come at around 38.29, in between 38.29 to 42.3. So till 42.3, or if the stock reaches 42.3, then it will be considered as a double bottom pattern, the completion of a double bottom pattern. And your first objective is to look inside and around this range only. Okay, so your first target, your second and third target or resistance. But if the stock succeeded to make a breakout above 42.3 and sustain over there, or above 42.3, then you are looking for something big, because once that thing happen, your next target will come at around 55.18. Then you have 89.34. Then above 89.34 you have 109.06, and probably the high of 2008, which is $230 odd dollars on the upside. Obviously it will take time. This is a multi-bagger big trend, but things are indicating something is about to happen, and it will happen probably very quick considering the market condition. Because if you can see the bounce back, so the stock has already doubled from its lows, and the way the chart pattern. So if you ask or the person who are doing or spending time with the chart, they can tell you that how clear the chart is by looking into it, and it will give you the confidence about the trend which you are trying to forecast or make a probability out of it, or either on the upside or on the downside. Now looking at this trend, that the stock has been in a downside range for the last 12 odd years, and in the past 5 or 6 years the stock has made a double bottom, and it will probably going to move up and move up pretty big on the upside, because the target which you can look on the upside is probably 1600%. So obviously this is a multi-bagger target. It will take couple of years, at least 3 to 5 years, and 7 or 10 years probably. But you have lots of targets or resistance level in between, which you need to consider. If you are considering for short term, medium term, or long term trend, you can divide it accordingly. But there is something big is about to happen, and probably it will again move towards its 2008 highs. The time will tell, but things are settling up for something positive on the upside, and which is for a long term and not for something short or intermediate term. We will see. For the time being, This is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.